What's going on, everybody? So if you didn't already know, in Lightroom Classic, if you are if you want to show the areas that are being clipped in your image, let's go to the whites here, and let's press and hold Alt and drag our whites up. We can see the areas that are being highlighted in white on this black mask, the areas that are being clipped. Clipped areas are bad. Those are areas that are going straight to pure white in a digital photograph. These are, you lose all your detail in those areas, so you know to drag that back down. And the blacks and everything else is the same exact way, except it masks white on black instead of black on white. And if we come down to our detail tab, add a little bit of sharpening here, and then we can tap and hold on our masking, and that shows the areas that are being selected for our sharpening, so that we're not sharpening the entire image, we're only sharpening small areas of the photo. Now you can do the exact same thing in Lightroom Mobile on your phone, which I didn't know this until fairly recently. So let's go into our basic tab. Now we want to make sure that our whites aren't being clipped here. So we're going to drag our whites up, and then we're going to take our other finger and we're going to press and hold on the same slider. So we're going to do a double tap with two different fingers, and now we are seeing a mask and a highlighted area of the areas that are being clipped and the areas that aren't being clipped. So now we can bring those whites back down to make our photograph nicer. And it's the same exact thing in the detail tab. So if you go over to the detail tab and you want to apply a little bit of sharpening, make those details pop out a little bit more for Instagram or whatever, apply a little bit of sharpening. Now let's come down to the masking slider, slide the masking over, apply your other finger. Now the mask shows. So now you can apply that sharpening only to specific areas of the photo. This is an extremely powerful tool that I actually didn't know was in Lightroom Mobile until recently, and I hope it helps you out as much as it helped me out, because sometimes we just want to edit photos quickly on the fly, to post on our stories, to post on Instagram or social media. Sometimes it's not necessary to completely edit a full raw photo on a desktop to post these photos. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. I love editing photos on the fly. It's relaxing for me and it's fun. And I save my raw photos for editing and saving to my folders, or photos that I know that I can't process on my phone, or I can't process internet worthy copies of, because let's just face it, we're looking at them on screens that are this big. Any case, with that said, thank you guys for watching. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, that's okay, because I'm posting here as well. And I'll see you guys next time.